Everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect MX Master 3S with USB receiver. Wireless dongle pairing guide. The step 1, plug in the Logi Bolt receiver. Insert the Logi Bolt USB receiver into a available USB port on your computer. Wait a few seconds for the operating system to recognize the receiver. Step 2, install Logi Option Plus. Download and install Logitech Logi Option Plus software from Logitech official website. This software is required to pair new device with a Logi Bolt receiver. Step 3, open Logi Option Plus. Launch the Logi Option Plus and click Add Device. Select the options to add a Logi Bolt device. Step 4, turn on the MX Master 3S. Slide the power switch on the bottom of the mouse to the on position. Step 5, put the mouse in pairing mode. So press and hold one of the easy switch button on the bottom of the mouse for about 3 seconds until the LED start blinking rapidly. That indicates that the mouse is ready to pair. Step 6, complete the pairing process. In Logi Option Plus, select the MX Master 3S from the list of available devices and click pair and follow on screen prompts to finish the setup. Step 7, test the connection. Move and move the mouse and click the buttons to confirm that it's working properly with the USB receiver. Goodbye.